Hello and welcome back. Looks like for today we're going to be working on number 125. So let's start with this row here. Looks like we're missing a 1 and a 5. I don't see any help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. We look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 8, a 4 there, so 7, 8, and no help there, 4, 7, 8. Let's look at this column. Looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 7, a 7 here, so 2, 4, and a 4 here, so 2, 7. Let's work on this box. Looks like we're missing 1, 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8. So 1, 9, 1, 9. We've got a 2 here and a 9 here. So 1, 8. And again the 9. So 1, 2, 9. Or 1, 2, 8, sorry. But now if we look, the only place the 2 can be is here, and the only place the 8 can be is here. So then we can come down here and get rid of this 8. If we look at this column then, we're missing 1, 4, 6, 7. We've got a 7 here. So 1, 4, 6. No help here. 1, 4, 6, 7. And we've got a 6 here. So 1, 4, 7. Let's work on this box. Looks like we're missing 2, 6, 7, 8. We've got the 2 and the 8. So 6, 7. 2, 6. So 7, 8. A 7, 8, and 6. So that means that our 2 has to be here. That makes this our 7, 8, 6. And then we can get rid of this 7 here. So then if we look at this column now, we're missing 1, 4, 5, 7. We've got 7 and 5 here. So 1, 4, 4, 7. So 1, 5. No help here, so 1, 4, 5, 7. But then if we look, the only place our 7 can be is here for that column. So then that makes this our 4 and this our 2. And then if we look again, the only place our 4 can be for that column is there. So we can get rid of this 4 over here. All right, if we look at this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 in this box, so this has to be our 1. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here and a 4 here, so this is our 6. 4 here, so 3, 4. And that 4 means this is our 1. So then this is our 6. So we can get rid of this 1 and this 6. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. Get a 7 here, so 3, 9. 3 here, so 7, 9, and a 7 here, so 3, 9, and that means the only place our 7 can be is here. If we do this box now, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 there, so 5, 9, and no help here, 3, 5, 9. This row is also missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here and a 3 here. So that means this has to be our 9. That would make this our 5 and our 3. And that 3 makes this our 9, 3. Up in this 1 would make this our 5, 1, 5. And this 9 would come up here and make this our 1 and 9. So we look at this box now. Looks like we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here. So 6, 3. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here. So 4, 5. For this box then, it looks like we're missing a 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. If we look at this column then, it looks like we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. And for this box then, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. If we look at this row now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is 4. That 4 would make this our 7, 5. And this 4 comes down here, makes this our 8. So then this is our 7 and our 4. All right, that's it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.